Here we have another experiment which is related to the study of characteristics of a Zener diode. Zener diode is a specialized diode which is designed to work in the reverse bias condition. It is not designed for working in the forward bias. In forward bias it works similar to a normal PN junction diode, but it is specially designed to work in reverse bias. The applications basically are the voltage regulator. This Zener diode, it is designed for different breakdown voltages like 6 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 3.9, 5.1, 9 volt and so on. So, whatever stable voltage we require, we can achieve that stable voltage by designing a voltage regulator which is based on the Zener diode. So, whenever a Zener diode is placed in reverse bias, and as you go on increasing the supply voltage, and once it reaches the breakdown voltage or the Zener breakdown voltage of the diode as per the diode part number, then after that the current flowing through the Zener diode, it goes on increasing, but the voltage across the terminals of the diode are maintained constant. This is the speciality of Zener diode. Normally the PN junction diode which breaks down in reverse bias, that breakdown is known as avalanche breakdown. It is uncontrolled. As soon as the breakdown voltage is reached, the diode starts conducting in the reverse bias and the current goes on increasing, and it may lead to a destruction of the PN junction. It is irrecoverable, but in case of Zener diode, it is a controlled breakdown, and as soon as you remove the reverse bias, the Zener diode recovers and it can be again put to use. It is not a destructive breakdown. That is why Zener breakdown is different from the avalanche breakdown. So, we are connecting the circuit as shown. A normal diode is replaced by a Zener diode. The symbol of the diode, here the cathode is not shown by a straight bar, but it is a bar with a Z sign. People draw it in the wrong way also, but you should remember that it is Z. That whenever you draw that diode, this has to resemble a Z, Zener, whatever you call it. So, it has to resemble Zener. You cannot draw it like this. This is wrong. This is for another diode, that S stands for Schottky diode. So, it should not be mixed with Zener diode. Rest of the procedure for studying the Zener characteristics is same as the reverse bias of the PN junction diode. We just go on increasing the voltage, applied voltage in steps, and note down the current and the voltage. We can see the part number on the diode, and as per that we can download the data sheet, and from the data sheet we can check what is the breakdown voltage for that Zener, and accordingly we can see that once that Zener voltage is reached, it remains constant, the current goes on increasing. We have to just study the reverse characteristics. So, our focus will be on this part. That is it. Thank you. The practical will be conducted on the breadboard by Jagveer.
In first experiment, we explain reverse bias direction, no current flow in this circuit. So, we use Zener diode use reverse bias direction. So, we explain in this circuit. This Zener diode, how to check it, Zener diode with help of multimeter. Then digital multimeter log down the direction of diode. Then you connect this diode in both point, common and voltage and diode point. Then you see here no deflection, the diode is reverse direction, this is negative and this is positive. In case of forward bias, Zener diode is called normal diode. Zener diode behave as normal diode. You can see here the voltage is 0.6 and 0.9 volt, almost 0.7 volt. So, in normal direction, the Zener diode is behave as a normal diode. In reverse direction, diode is reversed as this positive, this negative and this positive. So, diode is reverse direction. We connect this diode in circuit. In reverse direction, we implement this on breadboard. First of all, we set voltage 0.1 volt. First of all, we set voltage 0.1 volt and another 0.2 volt, 0.3 volt. Multimeter has no deflection in reverse condition. Then we implement this 1 volt, enter, no deflection, and 2 volt, no deflection, multimeter voltage is same, and 3 volt, 4 volt, and 5 volt. 5 volt, no deflection, and 6 volt, no deflection in ampere meter, and then 6.5 volt, enter, no deflection, and almost 7 volt. Direct multimeter has some deflection, ampere meter, then enter, 8 volt, 10 volt, ampere meter is deflection. So, we use this diode on reverse direction. 12 volt deflection. So, we check this diode is 9 volt direction, 9 volt diode because the voltage is set 9.35 volt. So, we can check diode, different types of diode, 3 volt, 5 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt, 30 volt. Zener diode is always available in different voltages. So, we complete this experiment for Zener diode as a reverse direction. Okay, thank you.